Hi, it's Gary from PoolSupplies.com, and today we're going to talk about cleaning up after your pool party or heavy bathing loads. Okay, so after cleaning up for a party, what you want to do is make sure that you check your chemistry of the water. So you're going to check your pH, your alkalinity, as well as your chlorine. More swimmers are going to cause chloramines to build up in the pool. Chloramines are caused by chlorine attaching itself to bacteria. So checking the water for your pH, your alkalinity, your chlorine. What you'd want to do next then is to shock the water. Shocking the water, normally you do that 1 pound per 10,000 gallons, but after a pool party or heavy bathing load, you might want to consider using 2 pounds per 10,000 gallons. Again, to give it a good shock. When you're shocking the water, you want to make sure that you're doing that after sunset, or at least after dark when the sun has set off of the pool. Okay, after a big pool party or bathing load, you might want to consider a few products. These are going to remove a lot of that body oils, suntan lotions, hairsprays, cosmetics, that type of thing. You have your scum balls. You have one that is shaped like a little monkey called Grease Monkey. These products are going to do is they're going to go into the skimmer basket. They'll float in there. They'll draw in all of those body oils and cosmetics, cleaning that off. And then as far as a end clean, if you needed, we have our RX Clear tile vinyl cleaner. And something you might want to consider is picking up one of the brushes. It's been Gary from PoolSupplies.com. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget, tune in next Friday. And we hope that you have a safe and happy holiday. Thank you. Please check the description for links to the products used in this video. If you have any questions for me, please email support@poolsupplies.com.